Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I got another interesting project that I'm going to be working on. It's a Mazda 6 with some very severe dent on the fender. As you guys can see, the dent is on the body line and also affected the edge and the top of the fender. It's going to be kind of challenging, so watch this video and see what techniques, what approach I take when I repair dents like this. It might be a little different approach than what you do, but it's the end result is going to be the same. It's going to be perfect. And let's see what we can do with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my repair by creating an access for myself so I can get behind it with some heavy-duty tools. In this case, I'm gonna be using some very heavy-duty tools like this one you see here. It's a Doda from Ireland. Very great tool. Large in its size, and also does provide a lot of leverage and a lot of support. I always start on dents of this size with that specific tool. It just feels great in your hands and doesn't flex at all. So let's see what I can do with this tool here on this one. Another thing that I wanted to mention to you about this dent repair, when you have a dent of this size, or when you have anything that is on the body line, I would highly recommend using a heat gun, so you don't end up causing some poke marks, causing some cracks in the paint. Also, using a heat also helps you to keep the metal soft. It softens the metal, and the metal tends to move a little easier than without the heat. So anyhow, I'm gonna leave that dent in the bottom and move to the dent in the top of the edge and start working on that one here. So for this dent repair, I'm using my double bent 48-inch long rod from Ultra Dent Tools with a root beer tip from PDR. I like using this tip. It works great for me. It's soft and it's not as hard as the metal. It's made of some hard plastic and just works for me. I can get some really sharp dents like this out in a matter of minutes. And of course, I'm using a heat so I don't damage the paint, and but that's what it basically looks like. So right now I still have some little imperfections there up in the area, and that's basically the tool and the tip I'm talking about. I still have some imperfections in that area. You can still see like a small little dimples there, right? And I'm gonna go back and I'm not trying to perfect this at this moment, but I'm trying basically to reshape, to rebuild this dent back in its shape. I'm trying to reshape this whole thing. And I try to keep it as clean as possible. Keeping the dent repair work as clean as possible will help you to eliminate spending that extra time at the end to clean up the dented area. So I would highly recommend doing this. Just keep your dent repair clean. Don't put any poke marks. Don't do any more damages. So as you guys can notice, I'm just taking my time. It's like playing a game where you just you're playing back and forth. Maybe like a MMA. I don't know if you guys are fan of MMA, like martial arts. You throw a punch and you get a punch back. So so that's the kind of game I am playing with the metal here. I'm still trying to get that little dimple right in the middle, and it's quite difficult. Alright, I think I'm gonna leave that dent in this condition at this moment, and I still have to do some more work. Again, I'm not trying to perfect it at this moment. There's some crown work that I have to do. There's some tap down. But I'm gonna leave that for now. I want to go back to my dent in the bottom of this panel and repair that. There's a small little dimple on the body line, and that's what I want to fix right now. I'm gonna use exact same tool that I used just now on the top edge. That's exact same tip with the Anson PDR tools. I just can't express myself like how much I like using this tip. It's like a mixture of a soft tip and of some sharp tip, maybe, I don't know, hard tip. Just works great for me. So you guys, if you guys have anything that you guys like to use in that specific dent repair, please let me know. I'll be very very happy to hear what you guys like to do on your dent repair work. Here's the thing, with the social media and all that, we all afraid to post stuff like this. It just creates a lot of anxiety. People are just afraid to share their opinions on the social media. There's nothing wrong with that. So guys, if you guys have anything to add to this repair, please do so. There's a comment section below, and just type in something, what you think, what you feel about this dent repair. So right now I'm gonna go back and gonna change my angle and do some cross-checking, right? And as soon as I did that, I noticed that there were a lot of high spots, a lot of ridges, and I had to go back and fix that. So in this case right now I'm using 20-inch dent dial bar, flat bar, and with a combination of a Stenliner tool. I think it's a flathead raised snake tool, and then also I'm using my 35-inch dent dial tool to get that the upper area. Yep, that's the one right now. And I'm gonna finish up my repair work with some blending, and that's what I always do. I'm using, in this case, a tactical blending hammer. Guys, this is an excellent tool. If you guys have a chance to get one, I would highly recommend getting that. So a little bit of a crown work, knockdown work. Again, this is not a full tutorial. It's just basically to give you an idea of how the paintless dent repair done. So this is the final result. This is what it looks like right now. Absolutely amazing, isn't it? Let's switch the light, and I want to see what it looks like in a different angle. Nice. Looks great. So again, guys, it was quite difficult dent repair work, and that really took some time, and I think I spent about 3 hours, maybe 2.5 hours repairing this dent. But anyhow, the repair results are great, and I'm very pleased with this work. So guys, let me know what you think about that in the comment section below, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting some cool stuff like this, and I'm looking to expand my YouTube channel, and if without your help I won't be able to do that. So thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.